Excuse me, say that again.
Quite skateboarding.
What?
Quite skateboarding.
What? Say that again.
Skateboarder.
What?
Quite skateboarder. It's quite skateboarding.
Is it?
Yes.
All right, go for it, boys. All right, that's number 1. Go, Lee, go. Show me what you got. Hello, lady. Lady in pink. Hold on. I'm ready, David.
Ready, on my feet. Under my board, yes.
All right.
Wait, what's this?
Okay, Lee, show me what you got, man. That's pretty good, Lee. That's pretty good, Lee.
Jesus.
All right, David.
Yes, it's a hard life. But I love that line.
Okay, Lee, go, Lee, go, do something. Come on, don't sit there. Don't.
Yeah.
Slick.
Let me try again.
You're unbelievable. Check you out. Whoa. Can I get a picture of you, bud? You're just too cool for school. You ready? Whoa, okay, do that again. Hold on.
Put the camera over here then.
I mean, I have Christy in the background. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Do it again.